Hey everybody, Wayne Velsman here again with Full Sail Marketing on another episode of bringing the old school into the new school. We're talking about the newspaper. Stay tuned. Cool everybody, so exactly, we're talking about the newspaper. We talked to a lot of contractors, what used to work for them and what's actually working for them now. And the newspaper is one of those old school things. Whether it was placing ads like this one, share your photos for what looks like a morgue or something like that. We're looking at score your deal 50% off at the Vinton flea market. Guys, this is what's in the newspaper, okay? That's the old school of advertising. We want to bring it to the new school. Here's the top 3 ways that you can bring this crap into the new school. Way number 1, we're gonna go with Facebook ads, right? Think about it like this. Using one of these ads to actually promote your business. It's a really nice picture, it's still in color, right? But the thing is, with a newspaper, you're only getting a small percentage of people. You know how hard it was for me to even find this newspaper? I had to go to like 5 different locations. Just goes to show not many people are reading it anymore, all right? Plus, the people that are, who are they? If you're using Facebook ads, you can actually target exactly who you want to see your ad. Is your ideal customer a man or a woman? Literally, you can just pick one of them. What's their age, all right? Are they 18 to 25? Are they 50 to 65? With Facebook ads, you can actually pick that because you can have an amazing image. It's gonna be super targeted only to your specific audience. I'm gonna grab the classifieds here for a second. Look at this. You can get tons of cool stuff. Big old ads, big old color ads, right, to get you right in front of people. But when I look at this, uncorked winery card, perfectly honest with you, I've been living here for 20 years and I have no idea what this is even for. With the classifieds, you can get your business out there. It's almost like a little business listing, right? Kind of like one of those listing sites we always talk about, but an awesome way to replace this is gonna be way number 2, Google, and specifically your Google My Business page. When you're searching on Google for a specific industry, a specific company, there's this little block that shows your company, right? And if you're getting really good, you're gonna get to show up in this thing called a map pack that's the top companies in your area you can show up for. It's like the classifieds, but for people who use 2019 who aren't just still stuck in the Stone Age, apparently. Now the last one is pretty cool, because check this out, all right? This ad says, need some extra cash. Oh, it's the Roanoke Times, it's their advertising, it's the newspaper advertising in the newspaper. That's who advertises in the newspaper still, is just the newspaper, because nobody else will buy it. Let's imagine I actually was looking for a job. Now, crazy enough, I just saw this ad, right? But think about this, if you can use the internet, right, you can once again target the exact people you're looking for, plus by using number 3, way number 3 to bring the newspaper into 2019, so using Google display ads. Now this might sound confusing, might sound complicated. It's basically just Facebook ads, right? Any nice picture, any nice image, anything that you create can really be an ad. Thing is, now you're using Google, right? Oh my God, the power of Google, right? You're using it to get in front of, once again, your ideal customer's eyes. Looking at this instance, right, for someone who needs some extra money, who needs a job, you're actually going to be able to target just that, and people who look for your services with Google ads, you can actually follow people across the internet. They've already seen your company, they're already interested, and now it's going to show them these ads as well, okay? It's called Google display ads, it's called retargeting, remarketing. I can get super fancy and complicated with it, but in essence, it's what the newspaper used to be and wishes that it still was, but it's 2019, guys. So get with the times, get with some advertising. If you got any value to this, please hit the subscribe, hit the like button. If you really like it, watch another one of our videos, probably here, probably beside this video somewhere. We're dropping new content every single week, trying to inform you guys how to market your business correctly 2019 and put more money in your pocket. I'll catch you next time.